Hi, Samar.
Hi, Miss.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine, thank you. Hi, Hassan. Samar, did you check out the? I think you did pretty well on the worksheet. You did pretty
I checked the solution.
great, great. Hassan, did you check the solutions? The answer key I sent you?
Yeah, I check it.
Okay. Little mistakes here and there. Okay, but you guys are doing pretty well. Okay, we're gonna wait for 1 more minute. Do you have questions for me? Anything related to the theme?
No.
Nothing at all. Okay, can we talk about the causes of deforestation? Let's say we're preparing to write an essay. Can you give me one cause for deforestation? Why do people cut down trees and vast areas of forest, Hassan?
To build.
To build, yes. Build what? Good.
Houses.
Okay, build houses. Hi, Muhammad. Hi, Dana. To build houses. So can we say that one of the causes of deforestation is urbanization?
Yes, you can say that.
Yes, okay. So what is urbanization? It means that the area is becoming more like a city. That's what the word urban means. The area is becoming more like a city. Take a look at Hosh or any other area near Tyre. Isn't it all becoming more urban?
Yes.
All the countryside is becoming like a city. Okay, so this is one cause, urbanization. What's another cause? Why do people clear trees? Think of what's happening in Brazil. Why are people in Brazil?
Warms up.
Hmm?
It warms up.
I'm sorry, can you repeat? Sorry.
They cut trees to use the wood to warms up.
Logging for wood, for timber, to build furniture, to build things, yes. So urbanization, logging for wood. What else? A major reason behind deforestation.
Agriculture.
Yes, thank you. Agriculture. Agriculture, soy plantations are one of the major reasons behind deforestation in Brazil, to plant soy or soya beans. Farms. Where do most of the world or a huge part of the world export beef from? Do you know? Where do this frozen beef that we're talking about all the time nowadays in Lebanon, this beef is frozen and this beef is fresh. Do you know where we get all the frozen beef?
Spain, maybe?
Brazil. We get almost 99% of the frozen beef from Brazil. And in order to export such huge amounts to the world, what does Brazil have to do, Muhammad? What do people?
Build farms.
Yes, build farms. And in order to build farms, clear land. You have to deforestate, okay? Cut down trees. So this is one of the major reasons behind deforestation in the Amazon, building farms in order to raise cattle like beef or sheep in order to export. And the Brazilian president is totally with cutting down trees. He is a businessman, just like Donald Trump. It's okay if the trees disappear, but we make more dollars. That's his attitude towards this. So this is why the issue in the Amazon in Brazil is getting so much worse. Okay, let's take a look at this. Can you see my screen? Can you guys see lesson 2, Climate 101?
Yes.
Okay, let's take a look at the picture here. What do you see? What do you see in this picture? Let's see. Dana, what do you see? Hassan?
Yeah, listen
What do you
to
see this picture?
lungs.
Lungs, yes. This, of course, this picture is photoshopped, but what do these lungs represent?
Burning
the
forest.
O2.
The forest. This means that the forest, those in green, are our what?
Oxygen.
Our oxygen, our source of oxygen. What are we doing to our source of oxygen? We're clearing it,
Going.
unfortunately.
Filling it.
Okay. So the article went on about the different causes of deforestation that we just mentioned here and the effects. Causes, we said, logging. Hassan, remember you said cutting wood. The word for cutting wood to use is called logging, okay? This is one of the major reasons. Again, we go to raising cattle and to making farms, etc. What can be done? Is this hopeless, Muhammad? Is this issue hopeless? We can just sit and say, khalas, we cannot do anything about it. What do you think, Muhammad?
What, can you repeat?
Okay, why it matters and what can be done. So the issue is very, very bad with deforestation. Can anything be done about it?
Yes, of course.
Okay, what can we do? What can be done?
Campaigns.
Stop cutting trees down.
Thank you. How can we do that? How do we stop cutting trees? Of course, human nature, they won't stop on their own. What can stop them? Let's see who I have here.
Consequences?
Okay, consequences, great. Punishment. You cut this tree, you pay a fine. You pay a huge fine, then you will learn to stop cutting trees. Otherwise, people will continue cutting trees. Okay, so this is basically what the article is about. Of course, you're gonna need to go to the details. If you haven't watched the video, you need to watch it and you need to take a look at the lecture notes. Let's go to the next slide. I answered part A with you, okay? What do the statistics in paragraph 2 reveal about the situation with forests around the world? Okay, the statistics in paragraph 2 show that forests are being destroyed at an alarming rate, a very surprising rate. To illustrate, I give an example. Between 1990 and 2016, 1.3 million square kilometers of forest have been destroyed. That's a huge amount. Moreover, 17% of the Amazon forest has been destroyed in the last 50 years. Again, these statistics are alarming. Question number 2, according to paragraph 3, what makes trees essential? Okay, this is an obvious answer. Trees exhale oxygen and inhale CO2. They take away the CO2 from the atmosphere and they are the filters of our atmosphere and they give us oxygen to breathe. Therefore, they decrease global warming or they put a limit to global warming. Let's take a look at number 4. By referring to paragraphs 7 and 8 and 9, name 2 major effects of deforestation. Elaborate. What are the 2 major effects? Of course, I wrote 3 here for you. 2 major effects are that wild animals will lose, like orangutans and tigers, will lose their habitat, therefore becoming endangered. Okay, and I gave an example. In addition, with loss of trees, water cycle will be disturbed. South African rainforests help furnish water to many areas. Furthermore, when trees are cut, there will be more carbon dioxide in the air and less oxygen. The heat trapping gases will increase, resulting in global warming. Okay, can anyone tell me what we call the heat trapping gases? What's another name for them? Gases that trap heat. What do we call? Okay, what do we call the heat trapping gases? The gases in the atmosphere that trap heat, what are they called?
The greenhouse.
Thank you, the greenhouse gases. Good. Okay, let's move on to our next slide. Okay, think critically and answer the following questions. Okay, why do you think the author uses subtitles in the text? We haven't answered a lot of those questions before. That's why I answered it for you. The author uses subtitles in the text to organize her ideas and to facilitate the reader's work, to make the reader's work easier. For example, she uses the subtitle causes of deforestation in the text to show the reader that this part of the article will discuss the causes of this issue. Then she uses the subtitle why it matters and what can be done to show that this part will discuss the effect of deforestation and its impact on the environment. Okay, so this is what you should write when I ask you about the subtitles, that it organizes the author's work and facilitates the reader's work. And give me an example. Now, the thematic relationship between paragraphs 9 and 10, if you go back to those paragraphs, you will find that it's one of idea contrast. That's how we write it. Okay. In paragraph 9, the author shows the grim. Grim means very dark and sad. The grim situation of deforestation and the resulting carbon emissions. In paragraph 10, the author talks about hope, where a movement is underway to preserve existing forests and restore trees that were lost. She uses the word but. You need to tell me the clue word, of course, when you give me the type of relationship to show contrast at the beginning of paragraph 9. Okay, so these are the paragraph here, and then I spell them for you. And this is generally the clue word will be at the beginning of the second paragraph. Okay? No, how many? Where are the rest? Why haven't the rest joined? Okay. Moving on, any questions concerning this part? Okay. Why does the author rely so much on statistics? This question always has one simple answer. In one sentence, the author relies so much on statistics to achieve credibility, objectivity, and authenticity, full stop. You get the full credit. Now, what type of text is the following article? The article presents the causes and effects of deforestation and ways that could help mitigate or make the issue better. Mitigate means making something better. The author's tone is objective, where she presents facts and statistics related to deforestation. Therefore, the article Climate 101 Deforestation is a type of informative writing. Okay, this is how we answer such a question. And this is it for the presentation. Concerning, let me just clear the screen. Concerning the worksheet, several of you, and I'm really proud of that, sent me the answers, and most of them were very well done. And I also sent you, of course, the answer keys. When you have a true-false question, you almost never have two truths and one false. That's impossible. Okay, so you should be very careful when you answer such questions. By cutting down trees, humans are sacrificing long-term benefits for short ones, of course. The short-term benefits, I sell, I sell cows, I sell soybeans, and I get money. But what are the long-term effects? I lose these forests, I lose oxygen, air pollution rises. So of course they are sacrificing, giving away the long-term benefits for just short-term benefits, which is money. Okay. Now, number 2, deforestation will lead to global warming since trees absorb oxygen and give off carbon dioxide. No, on the contrary, deforestation will lead to global warming since trees absorb carbon dioxide and give off oxygen. Is anyone having trouble with hearing me? Glitching. Okay. Okay, anyway, I'm not explaining anything new. Everything is in the lectures and the worksheet. The worksheet is very clearly explained. All deforestation is caused by humans, of course not. As we are witnessing these days, what's going on in the western states in the US, in California, and many places around the world, trees are sometimes huge areas of land are cleared by wildfires, resulting in heavy losses of trees, so false. Okay, the pie chart. The pie chart is like any other chart or table. We have to answer it in 3 parts, all in one paragraph. Can you hear me, guys? You guys are all silent all of a sudden. Can you hear me? Rama, can you hear me? Okay, concerning this. Okay, guys, apparently I lost connection. I lost connection. Are you back? Okay. I'm gonna share the screen again. Okay, I was talking about the pie chart. First of all, the pie chart depicts the current status of what happens to wastes in Lebanon, taken directly from the directions here. The second part we analyze, we notice that 77% of waste goes to landfills, excluding Beirut and Mount Lebanon. In addition, 15%